Elon Musk achievements in 40 seconds. Starting off in 1995, Musk co-founded Zip2 and sold it for nearly $300 million. Shifting gears, he aimed for the stars with SpaceX in 2002, with aspirations to colonize Mars. The Falcon and Starship rockets, and the Dragon spacecraft, all stand as milestones in private space travel under his leadership. Switching lanes to electric vehicles, Musk joined Tesla in 2004 and ascended to its CEO, establishing the company as the flag bearer of the electric vehicle revolution. Parallelly, he founded SolarCity to take renewable energy to new heights. Continuing his penchant for disruption, he co-founded Neuralink, blurring the lines between man and machine. In a bid to solve traffic congestion, he launched the Boring Company. Musk, with his daring vision and relentless innovation, continues to redefine the limits of technological possibility.